In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Excel in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to turn a PDF into a clean .xlsx file using Acrobat's built-in tools, with a few practical tips to make the result easier to use in Excel. First, open Adobe Acrobat. Give it a moment to load so all tools are available. You'll be working right inside Acrobat, no extra plugins or third-party websites needed, so everything stays in one place and your formatting is preserved as much as possible. Once Acrobat is open, look to the top of the interface for the Convert or Export option. Depending on your version, this may appear in the top toolbar or be clearly labeled in the main menu. Click it to access the export formats. This path is designed to move content out of PDF and into formats that are easier to edit, which is exactly what we want for spreadsheets. In the export list, choose Microsoft Excel. This tells Acrobat to analyze the PDF's text, tables, and layout and prepare it for a spreadsheet structure. Acrobat is generally very good at detecting columns and table boundaries, especially if the PDF was generated digitally rather than scanned. Selecting Microsoft Excel sets you up to receive a workbook that's ready for sorting, filtering, and formulas. Next, click a Convert to XLSX. XLSX is the modern Excel format and is the best choice for compatibility and features. It supports larger datasets, improved formatting, and better performance compared to older formats. When you select this, Acrobat will begin mapping your PDF content to cells, rows, and columns in a way that Excel can understand. A Save dialog will appear. Browse to the folder where you want the exported file to live. If you keep a sample or working folder for conversions, navigate there now. Choosing a clear destination helps you find the file immediately. This is also a good time to give the file a descriptive name that reflects the contents or date, so it's easy to identify later when you're working with multiple versions. Finally, click Save. Acrobat will process the document and generate your .xlsx file in the folder you selected. For larger or more complex PDFs, this may take a little longer as Acrobat parses tables and layout. Once it's done, the Excel workbook is ready in that location. If your original PDF had neatly structured tables, you'll typically see well-aligned columns and headers. For highly formatted layouts, you may notice occasional merged cells or extra rows, which is normal and can be adjusted within Excel. And that's it. You've converted a PDF to Excel using Adobe Acrobat quickly and cleanly.